Hey everyone, welcome back to ML Works. In this video, we'll be learning how to get started with Hermes Agent in our local machine with Ollama as our model provider and how to integrate Telegram with our Hermes Agent. So for this to work, first we have to install Ollama. So for that, you can just copy paste this command and download Ollama in your local machine. So I have already installed this Ollama package, so I will not be running it again. I'll just show you that how it will be running once you have installed it. So once this installation step is done, you will be running Ollama as a backend server on 11434. Once the installation is done, you can go to the browser, type in localhost 11434 and you will see that Ollama is up and running. And once that is done, then you have to go and download the models in your local machine. So what I'll do is I'll go here and type in Ollama pull llama 3.2. So this will download the model. If you are not doing pull, you can also do Ollama run llama 3.2. That will also download your model in your local machine. So let's wait for this to run. So this is, since I have already downloaded the model, it didn't take much time. It is around 2 GB. It's the size of the model. So let me clear this. So once the model is downloaded, what you can do is just go and check Ollama list and you will see that model got updated here 15 seconds back. And I have all these other models that I can make use of when I'm trying to integrate my Hermes agent with Ollama. So one thing that you have to understand is the Hermes agent, since it is an agent, it has to do tool calling. So your model should support tool calling. So Llama 3.2 does support tool calling. So we'll be integrating Llama 3.2 to Hermes agent. So let me go to this README document here again. Now, once we have run or downloaded the Llama 3.2 model, we have to launch Hermes. So this is when you're doing it for the first time. Since I have already executed or set up Hermes in my machine, what I'll do is I'll click this, I'll take this command, Hermes reset up, and I'll be typing it here and do the setup. So this is how it will be looking for the first time as well. And I have also installed OpenClaw in my machine, so I don't want to see anything of that. So I'll be typing in no here. And here, this is how you have to set up Hermes agent. So we can do a quick setup where we'll be selecting the provider, which is Ollama. Then there is model where you have to select the model like Llama 3.2 or any other tool supporting model. And then we can connect to the messaging platform like Telegram. So let me do the quick setup here. So we have to first select the provider. So I'll be selecting Ollama 3.2 here. Since I have already selected in the previous session that I want to use Llama 3.2, you can go ahead and select this one. So there will be some other options like Ollama local also. Okay, this is the local one which I am running right now. You just have to select when you're doing it for the first time, you have to make use of Ollama local. Just remember that. So I'll be clicking this. Now I'll get the option to select the model. So I'll be selecting Llama 3.2. I'll click enter. Now I have to set up the messaging platform that I want to use or connect the agent with. So I'll do the setup here. I'll click this. I'll click Telegram. So I have to show you how to set up Telegram. So I'll reconfigure it. Reconfigure Telegram. Yes. And it will ask for the Telegram bot token. Now for this to work, right, what you have to do is first you want to install Telegram in your machine. So I have already installed and it is up and running here. And once that is done, once you have installed Telegram in your machine and you have signed in into your account, you just go to the search option here, type in bot father, click this one, and here you type in /new bot. This one. So already a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So this is an Hermes agent bot. Okay, good. Now let's choose a username. So here I will be calling it as Hermes agent new bot. Okay, this name is already taken. So I'll type in Hermes Agent ML works bot. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so it has created a bot. It has given me the token. This is the token that has been asked here, which is the bot token. Let me go here again, and you have to copy this and then just go to the terminal and paste it here. I have done that. Now Telegram token saved. Security restrict who can use it. To find your Telegram user ID, message at user info bot on Telegram. It will reply with your numeric ID. Now what I can do is I can go to this specific section again, search bar, type in get user info. This will open the specific bot. I guess what is the name? User info bot. Okay, not get user info, just user info bot. And I can go here, and if you see I have already taken my ID here. You can just I'll just type this one here, 53205523, I guess. Okay, so this is the user ID who has been provided the access. Now home channel where Hermes delivers cron job results, cross-platform messages. Use your user ID as the home channel. Yes. Start the gateway service. Yes, you can put it as start the gateway service. Launch Hermes chat now. Now whatever you type in, right, it will launch the Hermes agent, and whatever you type, the message, it will go and hit Llama 3.2 and get the response. So let's wait for it to start the Hermes agent. Hermes agent for start chatting, Hermes gateway, start messaging gateway, Hermes doctor for checking for issues. So these are various configurations how you can modify your existing setup for Hermes. So if you do Hermes setup, so what we have done is we have done Hermes setup and restarted everything or reconfigured everything. If you want to just change the model, you just have to select setup model and modify the model. And if you want to set up the terminal, you can do that. And if you want to set up the gateway is nothing for connecting with all the messaging apps, right? WhatsApp, Telegram, all those things can be done with the help of gateway. And if you want to connect to tools like web APIs or web search engine, you can make use of tools. So I think it has already started here. Now here we can type in our message here, like what is an LLM, and it should give the response. So the response will come from Llama 3.2. So what you can do is once this output is generated, you can also go to Telegram and type in your message there. You can get the response from Llama 3.2 again there as well. So that is one thing. And one of the issue that I have faced while working with Hermes Agent and Ollama is that sometimes the model, right, it's not loading in GPU, it was loading on CPU. What I mean is, so if I do Ollama PS, you see currently there are no models. So what is happening is it tries to load this model into GPU or CPU. If I do this again now, you will see that it is running on GPU. So sometimes what happens is if you are not able to get the response quickly here, make sure that your Ollama models are loading in GPU. If it is on CPU, it will take a lot of time to generate those tokens. So make sure that your Ollama is running on GPU. So you have already saw that response that came up. So let me just type in here once again, what is an LLM? The LLM stands for large language model. It's a type of AI specifically designed to process and understand human language. Okay, this is the response that we get from Hermes Agent. Now what we'll do is we'll go to the Telegram, and here I'll go to where we have created this bot. This is the link to that bot. Let me click here and start a conversation here. So this is an unknown command for this bot. So what I'll do here is, what is GPT? What is GPT? Yeah, let's see what it answers. So it has to interact with the Llama 3.2 model, and it has to get the response from there. Let's see whether it is able to do that or not. If you notice here, we have this typing going on in the backend. So it appears that you are interacting with the conversational AI model like Llama or other variant of GPT. The text you provided seems to be a help system or documentation for the model itself. So to get a specific answer to your original question, what is GPT, I would ask the model itself, what is GPT? However, if you like this summary or explanation of what GPT stands for, it appears that GPT is likely referring to the generative pre-trained transformer model used in the AI system. Yes, you are right. I am referring to that model only. Okay, I missed referring. Okay, that's fine. Seems like you provided massive text document and you asked, yes, you are right, I am to that. To get started, could you please tell me what you'd like to do? Use the patch function to make targeted edits to a file, create a new to-do item or update an existing one. Okay, these are the various agent actions that can be performed by the help of this bot as well. So that's what it is mentioning here. So what is a patch function? What is the patch function here? While this is generating the response, okay, the whole idea behind this setup is to understand how we can integrate tools like Telegram, WhatsApp to your AI agent that is running in remote server, and how you can interact with that model by the help of these tools like Telegram, WhatsApp. So we got this response here. The patch function in this context appears to be used for targeted edits or updates of existing files rather than completely overwriting or rewriting them. Okay, it is more or like what updating your specific file. Okay, how you will be providing the patch. Now what we'll do is, since we are done with this, since we are able to integrate our Telegram with Hermes Agent, and we are also able to interact with Hermes Agent in our local terminal as well. So we are at the end of the video because we have managed to perform what we have intended to do. Okay, so with that, I'll be concluding this video. Thank you for watching.